Hello guys, my pet Bunch Bunch get out from their home. She's a cute walking and eating. What adorable pigeon. Drinking water. Eating food. Drinking water. Eating food. Bunch Bunch is eating. Where is Oh, she's flying. Oh, hell no. Let's go up from my ladder. Look up the skies. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. We're in the up. Oh, there is she. Be quiet. Who is in here? Did you see? There's a small turtle. Oh, that's Birdie. It's my birdie. My pet white bird. Let's go get Birdie. Here it is. It's Birdie. Is she cute? Oh, Tutut is angry. Look. And Birdie, it's not angry. Cute like this white pigeon. Bunch Bunch. Cute pigeon, but scared of human. Is she cute? Like and subscribe. What is her bad name? She will gonna fly. Look. Wait. Over there, she flies. I will gonna scare him. Let's go. I want maybe that. I see him.